might kill her.
You can see her.
Alright people, so the video right now where I run this was the first tape before them actually roll out, and this is when them just reach on the scene. So from this it's like them with a patrol the place and like end up sit to one and few person, but the person where them a beat, you see me, without it him would have be a bad man, cause like, and that another right way for interrogate somebody, you see me. So I just find Jamaican on a whole stupid, you see me, cause never the system itself ready. Cause I'm not ready, how you have to do that? You can interrogate somebody like that. Yo, if it was me, yo, I sue some of them people. I'm not ask if I charge some of them, you see me. Although Jamaica system kind of fuck up, but you have to spend a piece of money, you see me. But anyways, people, so, people, I don't know, but me suspect that this have something to do with the fire. So since that happened, the same night, in the same vicinity and area, a fire was catched in the Coronation market, is it? So the same night, look like later that night, the man them set suburbs and organize man go burn down that flat, is it? But at the end of the day, when I say them do something wrong, we not offend for them, but what them boy they do is totally wrong, you see me? Yeah, dog, you see me? So I go always be nickel on yourself, forget treat, yo. Them better build up back Coronation market if I so be the case. Life can't come back, you hear that? Yeah. Just look how the man them a roll.
Right now, Lord, I'm in my house, Jehovah. We are Jamaicans, people. Look how they're dealing with us. They keep on balling for murder. Jamaicans, look right now. Look how the soldier them pointing them gun. About 10 of them just gone in that yard right now. Look right there, that shot me in tiny deli. Look people, look people, Lord. Look. Woman of God, look on people. Look on soldier. Look on them like they're going to war. Now shot is firing down here, people. People, look.
Yo, but just make sure I play a next clipping so I can hear that woman there. Oh, she's so scared, is it? Like she can't even stomach what she see. I do want to take place, you see me? Me nah make nobody make me live, so before some dead for with my one life, me fight for my one life. And I like, I not rate them, but them can do it more unified, is it? Yeah, cause like me have family where I soldier in, is me. My friend, but know people. And at the same time, everybody training different, is me. You know, a soldier when I go just go out of the box to do people things unless it call for, you see me. Soldier will get well trained, you see me. Yeah, man, people. So I feel like say this are the whole reason behind the whole fire business, you see me. So I think I in the same vicinity and thing, you see me, people. So want to do comply with me and tell me what I go on at the same time, you see me.
This is Ray ground, Bendong market, completely engulfed. Man, them light it a fire after we come on a contact since night. Everything under fire, massive blaze happening right now. Downtown, Ray ground, gone again, burned down again.
Shot no fire? You're saying this?
I'm sorry, go again. Nobody Marcus, I'm not doing a video.
Them building they come out, mope them feel the heat or whatever the case is and jump up. See it, brother?
Watch it.
Jesus.
Check this live.
Yo.
ship on Tubman Island. They make them